Good. Welcome back. Welcome back. This is Elias Sinkala, aka Professor Elias. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like. Taking mathematics. Um, that is pure mathematics. Let's try to explore some mathematics here, make them simple. Okay. There's question number 6 said to say find the equation of the tangent to the curve. Remember, equation of the tangent, the gradient doesn't being affected. It's more like act as a parallel lines. Does not get affected. Remember, tangent is more like it's a line which meets a curve, right? So what's going to happen? The gradient does not get affected, right? So I've got this equation to say y is equal to x squared minus x minus 2 at a point of 1 comma negative 2. So these are coordinates x and y. 1 is x, y is negative 2. And this is very much properly, it's the equation of the tangent, right? So here we go with some calculations here, right? Let's go. Let's go. We'll say we find the derivative of this one first for us to find the equation, or for us to find the determinant. We cannot find the equation of the tangent minus not having a gradient, right? So I say I'll differentiate in terms of x, dy over what? The x is equal to, we want to say it is 2 times x, then 2 should be affected by 1. 2 times x is 2x, 2 minus 1 is 1 here, so I cannot put anything there. I want to say this is x, right? Same applies, there is 1. 1 times x, it is x, 1 minus 1, it is 0, and to the power 0, it's 1. So here I'm going to put what? 1 here. So here I cannot put, we want to say any constant number under differentiation is equal to 0, right? And I want to say dy over the x is equal to what? Gradient, and the gradient is equal to what? 2x minus what? 1. Right? So I've got two, remember I've got two coordinates here, 1 comma negative 2, right? X and y. So my gradient is equal to 2x minus 1. Right? So whatever is x, I'll be putting what? 1, because I've already been given, right? Yeah, I hope it is 1. Is it 1? Okay, yes, it is 1 comma negative 2. Right? So whatever is x, I'll be putting what? 1 minus what? 1. So what is the gradient? It is 2 minus 1. What is the gradient? The gradient is equal to 2, is equal to 1. Right? Remember, gradient does not being affected, right? Yes. So after doing this, here we go. You can say y, you can use the equation now, the normal equation. Let me say the general equation is equal to y is equal to mx plus c intercept, right? So this is the gradient, see, this is c-intercept, like that, right? So remember, just keep on moving with coordinates, right? So y is equal to, what's the gradient? I put 1, where is m? We want to say m applies it's 1. So if I put 1 to be 1 times x is x, I cannot put 1x, no. So I say x plus what? C. Did the coordinate say I've got 1 comma negative 2, right? So I say, this is x, this is y. So where is y I'll be putting negative 2? I'm looking for value of c. What is y I'll be putting a negative 2 is equal to x plus c, of which I say, sorry, I haven't put anything. So I say negative 2 is equal to 1 plus c. I forgot to replace x, of which same applies 1 plus c is equal to negative 2, which is c is equal to negative 2 minus 1, c is equal to negative 3. Okay, so that is that. So that is that. Okay, so what's going to happen here is this. After finding that, of which you can get the equation now, the same equation. I say y is equal to mx plus c. We want to say, if I am to write the data here, what is our c-intercept? Our c-intercept is negative 3. What is our x? Sorry, what is our gradient? Our gradient is equal to 1, right? So what is y? I'll be putting what? I don't put anything. So I say, what is m? I'll be putting what? 1. So 1 times x itself, right? What is say I'll be putting what? Negative 3. So this is our what? Our equation of the tangent, right? Yeah. Okay. Now, here we go. Some of you can go with this equation, or we can go with this formula. It's one and the same. It's y minus y1 is equal to, that's the general formula, m, which is gradient x minus x1, right? Of which, use the same equation, say, oh, 1 comma negative 2. Of which this simplifies to say y is equal to, what is y1? I put what? This is x, this is y. I put negative 1, of which negative times negative, that is positive 2. Right, is equal to, here I put 1 there, so I can put, yeah, I put 1 here. X minus, what is x? I put what? 1. So this is x1, this is y1. So I say y plus 2 is equal to, this time this one, everything there is x minus 1. Right, then correct the like terms there to be what? Y is equal to x minus 1. When this one comes there to be what? Negative 2. So y is equal to x minus 2 minus 3. So this and this is one and the same. Right? Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. This Professor Elias, aka Elias Sinkala. Yeah, I've said it in the opposite way. Thank you very much. Stay blessed. Thank you.